Oh, it's that time of year. It's fall, and got to get out and get some good fall shots. I hear that it's one of the best years, and see that it's one of the best years for a while in Utah. I'm taking my buddy Norm Erickson with me today, so let's get going.
Hi everybody, this is Norm. I'm with the photographer.
Yeah.
That'll probably all get cut out, right?
Well, it might, but probably not. Okay, as promised, we're out here on the road. We just made our first stop for some beautiful fall colors. I was impressed. I think Norm was impressed. This is my buddy Norm Erickson, and we are enjoying the beautiful sunshine on the beautiful skies. What do you think?
Beautiful. And it's fun to watch the cattle down there chasing each other around.
Yeah, sometimes we call them slow elk.
Slow elk.
Slow elk. That's our standard joke with one of the other buddies that we go out doing this kind of stuff with. So we are just headed down the hill into a place called Huntsville, Utah, and beautiful area. And then we're going to head up South Fork, and there in front of us you can see some of the color on the mountains. Anyway, beautiful area and some beautiful colors. Look up here on the left side, you can see some beautiful colors. So we're out after it. Here we go. Well, we're up here at a place called Camp Kiesel. It's been a very, very popular Boy Scout camp for many years. And right now we're up here for the beautiful fall colors, not for the Boy Scout camp. I don't think there are any Boy Scouts up here right now. Anyway, so we thought we'd fly the drone around a little bit, and Norm is off getting some photos too, or did go out and get some photos also. And so here we are at Camp Kiesel. One stop. We've also stopped a couple other places along the way and got some beautiful stuff. So let's put this all together and see what we have to show you. Well, I think it's time to wrap up what's been an absolutely gorgeous day. I really didn't expect to get such good color. And I'm really glad that you kind of gave me a little kick in the behind to get me going, because I was going to wait till next week, and I'll bet you a lot of this will be gone by next week.
I think you're right. It's absolutely stunning.
I think this is the best fall colors I've personally photographed in the state of Utah. I mean, I've photographed Vermont, Maine, and Massachusetts, got some beauties, but we got some good ones today. Do you feel like you got some good pictures out of your 110 exposures?
I hope so. I hope I got one or two. Just look at the colors, gold and red and green also, just amazing.
It really is. Anyway, thanks for joining us. This is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, and his buddy Norm, and what is it?
Don't tell me. No help. Keep on trucking. No, that isn't it. It's my way or your way? Oh,
keep on keeping on. There we go.
Well, I had to miss it.